Billiard-sharp. A class of character not tolerated in respectable saloons. As a general thing, the billiard-sharp is a retired marker, who fancies it is no longer respectable to work for an honest living, but that he is smart enough, and has learned tricks enough at his former business, to enable him to win as much money as he wants from the less experienced amateurs of the game, who figure in his vocabulary as the flats. He generally frequents those establishments where one or two billiard tables are made, the stall behind which some dishonest occupation is carried on, and here he is at home, and in his glory. He makes himself particularly friendly with any one who will ask him to take a drink, and in his assumed duties he fills the offices of lounger, runner, talker, player, sponge, shoulder hitter, and referee. He is also a runner, and sort of traveling blower to second-rate manufacturers of billiard tables. These men supply him with clothes, to enable him to mingle in respectable society, and allow him an enormous percentage for every billiard table sold to a stranger through his agency. In addition to this, it is his business to pull down the reputation of such manufacturers as despise and scorn the means by which he earns his dishonest livelihood. As soon as he has made a hit in one saloon, he is off to another, and in this way goes the rounds of the city until all the places which harbor him are, in his own phrase, played out. Such a man is to be avoided as one of the worst species of sharpers. He has 1,000 pretenses under which to borrow money, and will act as if quite offended if refused. The stranger should avoid all such men, and especially anyone with whom he is not well acquainted, who should ask him to play for any given sum, just to give an interest to the game. Billiard-Sharp.